This is the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook. From the production team who brought you Old Neighborhood Cooking, this is a program that brings you recipes, techniques, and tips for recreating those old neighborhood classics. From the pizza and rib joints to the taverns and diners, from the white tablecloth supper clubs to family kitchens. This is genuine comfort food. This is the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook. You're watching KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest. Every town had one. The walk-up takeout joint with the best pizza by the slice, or special sandwich, or regional hot dog. These little gems defined the neighborhood. The production team here at Old Neighborhood Cooking is excited to present a new video cookbook of our version of those spots. We call it Doc's Takeaway. We've searched out the favorites from neighborhoods around the country, from the legendary to the ridiculous, and we're going to show you how to replicate those specialties. Upcoming episodes will feature pizza by the slice, Italian lunch meat sandwich, street taco, specialty sandwiches, regional hot dogs, walking around tamales, and more. Be sure to watch Doc's Takeaway, coming soon to KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest.